Hello everyone! What to make from ultralight clay for Halloween? In this video I will show you how to make a plasticine DIY for Halloween in kindergarten or school for your child. Modeling is a good activity for the development of children. We will sculpt a beautiful pumpkin in a black hat. We take orange clay and make a ball out of it. Then we cut the furrows with a knife. First, crosswise into 4 slices, then into 8. We make a mouth out of black clay, in which we cut out the corners. We make a triangular nose and eyes from the same black plasticine. Then we make a circle and put it on top. These are the brims of a hat. Then we make a hat cone and decorate it with a colored ribbon. You can take purple plasticine, or you can take any other. That's the kind of pumpkin we got. On my channel you can find many more different crafts. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!